Manipur Police celebrates 125th Raising Day. Chief Minister stresses role of police in a democratic country. UCM Amuko condemned Naga meet held under the banner Southern Nagalim and Senapti. Naga Conference urges Centre and NSC and IM to finalize framework agreement between them in August last year. Government employees to launch pen-down strike from October 27 to press their charter of demands. And first foreign scholar to be awarded PhD by Manipur University in English describes Manipur as a very good place of education. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Police today celebrated the 125th Raising Day at 1st Manipur Rifles Parade Ground. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Okram Ibobi emphasized the role of police in a democratic country. He said police have to do things they may not like in the line of duty and might commit mistakes. Ibobi appealed to the people to forgive the police when they commit mistakes. He said in a democratic country, the duty of the government is to protect the life and property of the people. Deputy Speaker, ministers, MLAs, top of civil and police officials attended the celebration. Chief Minister took the salute of the march past commanded by Priyadarshini Laishram. He also released a newsletter. 3rd IRB was adjudged the best battalion, 5th MR the 2nd and 9th IRB the 3rd. Singjamai Police Station was adjudged the best police station, Thaubal Police Station and Bishnupur Police Station the 2nd, Ukhrul and Kangpopi Police Station the 3rd. SI Birendra of Singjamai Police Station was adjudged the best police officer. Condemnation rolls and discs were presented to additional DGP Christopher Dongal, IGP Range 3 T. Gute, IGP Range 2 Kailun, IGP Range 1 Clay Khongsai and IG Dr. S. Ibomcha. DGP LM Kaute gave an account of the history of Manipur Police, which was established in 1891 and its achievements.
So
next we have
insurgent की problem होइरो और kidnapping तौबा extortion तौबा Manipur से the frequent band and blockade तौबा मयाम सिंसी अखोइना आइन थुगाइबनी आइन violate तौबनी हाइदना हेता नोमई पंका तका पसु याद पुलिस से याम समन हाइरबदा अफ थबक तौबगिदी appreciate तौबिनबा लैतबा खजितंग minor mistake अमा अदुसु intentionally तौगे हाइब नतबा accidentally थोखिबसे पुलिस हालो हाइदना हेता मयाम चंगना नोंग थाजनबा खोसनबा अमा तौबा सिगुम्बा situation मयाम सिदैदा अखोय मोय अखोयगे साइनाउ सिंगसि तौदबा याददरा मोयगी ड्यूटी से परफॉर्म तौदा तौबा वयरमगनी अदो intentionally तौबा वरमोय हाइदना मणिपुर की प्रजा सिंगनसु करिगुम्बा excesses commit तौबा खोप खर लेरमसु मधु pardon तौबिगनी
Police headquarters Sananaba lane and building Masi koi sarkar da request tawjari duga a modern hospital for police personnel and their family members commissionerate system for Imphal West and Imphal East manungda policing system improvement efficiency hengat anaba koina masi points je thamjari cyber crime police stations semgat nanaba improvement in mobility to meet growing requirements aduga separate traffic unit under one separate superintendent of police secure housing for the men.
Maibi Zagoi, Dol Cholom, Cookie Dance, Kabri Dance and several cultural items highlighted the celebration. A blood donation camp was also held in connection with the year-long celebration of the 125th Raising Day at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles. A large number of police personnel donated blood at the camp. United Committee Manipur UCM condemned the meeting of Naga villages held under the banner Southern Nagalim, attended by Nagaland Chief Minister K.R. Zeliang at Yaikongpao village near Senapati district headquarters. UCM also condemned the silence maintained by Manipur government over the meeting, which it said can pose a threat to the territorial integrity of the state. Addressing media persons at the UCM office at Lamphel, UCM President Elangbam Johnson expressed suspicion over the silence maintained by the government over the meeting attended by around 800 Naga villages and the Nagaland Chief Minister. He said people are more suspicious about the Congress government as it is not adopting any stand over NSC and IM. UCM President also demanded the centre to make the framework agreement known to the people of Manipur. Johnson cautioned that something bigger than June 18, 2001 can occur in case the centre, Nagaland government and NSC and IM continuously try to divide Manipur.
Pangthoiba mifam asi Manipur gi apunbagi saktam singnaduna pangthokpa dungba mifam amani haibasi ikhang khangaba wafam amani Southern Nagalim haidana Manipur manungda changjillaga tharaba adugumba banner phawa thetlaga thamlaba mifam amaga pangthokpa sida Manipur sarkar leiriba MLA minister singna individual comment ama phawa yaningdabagi phongdokhidaba madugi tayonabada asigumba Manipur thugainaba laiba misak asibu full state guest oina karsi extend tawkiba se condemn tawjai masina takpadi Manipur sarkar asi Manipur thugaiba pamba mising asiga yanarabra makoina taliba demand sing asida makoisu sakam tawgrabra athuba matamda Manipur sarkar nasu karigidamakta TR Zeliang da state ki guest ama oina extend tawgribano haibasi sengdopum thokpani NSCN IM amasung Nagaland government amasung union government na karigumba khabai khara sadana akoigi lam asigi manungda khaidok khaichin tawnaba honaraklabadi 2001 da thokriba thawdogodo madudagi henna apangan kanba hena sathiba thawdok thokani haiba wafam section was amko thamjari.
Meanwhile, on Manipur United Clubs organization, Amuko has also condemned a Naga people's meeting at Yaikongpao village in Kangpokpi subdivision in Senapati. He maintained that the meeting attended by Nagaland Chief Minister K.R. Zeliang is a threat to the survival of present generation of the state. All Manipur United Clubs organization President P.H. Deban Sharma told the media at Amuko's office at Kwakaithal that Amuko does not welcome the visit of Zeliang, who disbanded Naga Ho-Ho. He alleged that Zeliang came to steal the natural resources of Manipur. Deban also accused Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh of deceiving the people of the state with the framework agreement.
Manipur miyam gi ayaba yaudana ngasi framework agreement gi aroiba tangkak sidai sida Manipur gi resource pumnamak lauthokna nabagi yamna chawba hidden agenda yauraga lakpase masi amukona masak munna khangi masi amukona yaba sungam ngamoya loinana magi khongchatsi Manipur da leiriba naga mayam singa se naga ne hariba mayam singa se masi amaga khanna naba sinba thorang amasu oigani Nagaland da autonomy piba Natragana sovereignty piba framework sigi manungda yaubda amukona maduda waroba natragana karimata maduda meeting changningai oide maduna Manipur gi wafam da khara solakpa targadi Manipur miyam da hana khanagadamni haiba wafam simasu aina thamjari.
The first conference of Naga Village Authority and Naga people of South Nagaland urged the Government of India and NSCN-IM to finalize the historic Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed between them on August 3, 2015. The conference was held at Yaikongpao in Senapati district today. 5 resolutions were taken in the conference, which was held under the aegis of United Naga Council. Representatives from 750 Naga villages of Manipur participated in the conference. The resolutions taken includes defending and safeguarding of supreme rights over Naga ancestral land at any cost, expediting, urging support of all Naga political groups to support the framework agreement of NSCN-IM, and Government of India urging support of all Naga political groups to support the framework agreement, protection and preservation of time-honored traditional institutions, and to support Naga People's Front. Nagaland Chief Minister T.R. Zeliang said a Naga political solution will not affect the Meitei community. He also asserted that a framework agreement between the Government of India and NSCN-IM will be the preamble of the Naga unification.
The Naga homeland in the present Manipur state was never part of the kingdom of Meitei king or Maharajas. These Naga homelands became part of the present Manipur state by historical accident during the British rule in India. The British government drew district boundaries purely for their administrative convenience that artificially divided the contiguous Naga homelands without the consent of the Nagas. Unfortunately, these district boundaries of the British rulers continue to become the basis for formation of state boundaries even after India's independence.
It is nobody else. It is nobody else. It is Mr. Ibobi Singh, the most communal leaders round the clock. He is trying to sabotage the tribal's future. Adugumadupaduna, Mihatranga City, Srajampura, 9 of them, Pumbayadi, Hydra, Kangleri. Way back 2010, May 6th, T.H. Muibana, Magi Kundasangba, and Sangapumadamda, Ibobi and his government sent hundreds of thousands of communal forces, commandos and IRB, and sought that 2 precious lives at Maugat. Who was responsible for that?
Joint Administrative Council of All Manipur Government Employees Organization and All Manipur Trade Union Council is all set to launch pen-down strike from October 27 if the Charter of Demands, including implementation of 7th pay, is not implemented by the government by October 26. Speaking to media at its Babupara office today, President of the JAC, Advocate Khaidam Mani, said the 20 Charter of Demands of JAC was submitted to the Chief Minister on October 10th after holding Council's meeting on October 8. He said, even though the employees are demanding implementation of 7 pay scale, the state government is yet to give the dearness allowance of the 6 pay. He maintained that the state government should provide 7 pay to all the state government employees. Mani also urged the government to set up Manipur State Staff Selection Commission to conduct exams for recruiting grade 3 employees.
Workshops, master role, casual employee, Ladiba Mayam Se, Aduga, workers of the engineering department, Hariba Moi Mayam Se, Masigi, Kodong Chatable Ladiba Mayam Se, Government of Manipur Ga, JLC, M2 MGO Ga, Yanagi Matungina, Tokadabni, 10th October 2016, the Pig River Saturday, the Man Kunitoy, Masi Tabuk Oina, on Tok Nava, Ngaminatraga Ngamde, Tony Natraga Tauroi. Joint Administrative Council
Transporters and Drivers Council has withdrawn its seats work on National Highway number 37 Imphal-Zirebam Road today. Speaking to the media at its office today, President DDC H. Ranjit said drivers are all set to transport stones and other materials for repairing of the dilapidated portion of the highway from October 21st. 300 trucks will carry boulders and small stones for repairing of the national highway from Makru Bridge to Kaibungtai, which is in a deplorable condition. He also alleged that the BRO officials are lobbying with some politicians to keep the highway under them. Taking strong exception to BRO remarks that repairing of the highway could not be completed due to traffic overload and lack of materials, he asks how could the traffic be overloaded when traffic on the highways escort are going for 4 days only a month. Only 1 JCB and 3 laborers are found working today when TDC members inspected the Makru area. He also appealed to the government to take a firm decision when BRO officials and government representatives will hold talks tomorrow.
BRO na phongdu halliba mayam da khangal liba mayam do oidaba ngatani ton 19 kun hape traffic jam tawre thabak subu ngamdre material leitabana thabak su ngamde material moi mathauni traffic era kaim leite sarkar na paisa piba pidaba akoina adum chalaga akoi tawrani hojik lairiba kholiba collection toy mayam si TDC gi paisa ngatani akoi hojik pawda sarkar degi lupam phangba leitri aduba khoi pibiu haijari khoi lambin semba satgadabanina akhoi starting thadopgi wafam do madumadi akhoi kano dumadi akhoi ngasi dagi khoi kolop tawre haita.
BJP Manipur Pradesh President KSH Babananda has alleged that the government is openly looting money by holding recruitments in several government departments. He alleged that the government is on recruitment spree. Speaking at the one-day political conference at Singtamai Community Hall today, he said the government is deceiving the people as the election is only 3 months away. He said due to the people's faith in the party, the number of people joining the party is increasing day by day. Saying BJP is the only party which could protect the territorial integrity of the state, Babananda appealed to people to vote for BJP. Aspirant candidates also unanimously resolved to support to the candidate who gets the party ticket.
Praja mayam se blackmail tawre chahi mari manga juk kuiraba chahi tara mitra manga se karigumam ta recruitment policy thabak hapagi karigumam da tawrte tha ahum mari da ngaira kanda thabak lising taruk taret mayamam hapkani aina hojik recruitment advertisement mayamam thadore phong loot tawbni miyam praja sibu moina highway da gun point da loot tawbugumna ngasi praja miyam sireisida nangi nasa do thabak hapi rage si piro amount si piro hairaga muga paisa si lowraga moina hayeng amuk moigi mathangi vote amuk sinana ba taruk ba lalungni.
Yanglam MLA E. Dujamani handed over a plot of land measuring 13,485 square feet to Human Development Club at Sekmai Bazar, Makalegai today. Assistant Secretary of the club, A. Kishorjit, said the MLA has taken the initiative after the club members approached the MLA as the ground for club is very small. He said the club has resolved to support E. Dujamani and not to allow other candidates campaign there. MLA Dujamani said his constituency is very backward in comparison with others due to narrow politics.
Dr. Tambaya ba angang leihiba ngakani Dr. Amabho kay puthokpa ngamabra ngamdabra Manipur gi officer aso ko mayam leiri chi marta koi semai jindagi officer amai koi present tawrabra
ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯟ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯤꯇꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯤ
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯌꯥꯡꯂꯝ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ MLA ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯕꯥ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯇꯤꯖꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯑꯑꯣꯟꯕ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯂꯒ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯍꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Wangkhem MLA K. Meghachandra has refuted the allegation by some civil society organizations that he has misappropriated the money to build Manipur Bhavan at Rangpur in Silchar. Clarifying the allegation, he said land for building Manipur Bhavan has been bought in its name. However, till now the government has not sanctioned money for building. He maintained that the plot has been bought with contributions of the MLAs. He also asked them not to make wild allegations to tarnish his image.
सरकार की कंस्ट्रक्शन की कोर्स अमा सेंक्शन तौब तारबसु सरकार की लेरिबा मरी लेनबा डिपार्टमेंटना मसी सेंक्शन तौरगा मरी लेनबा एजेंसी सिंगसिना टेकअप तौगदबनी अदुरा पार्टिकुलरली ओइना मीडिया मयाम सिंगदा साइगे अंगोंदा पार्टिकुलर ओइना चार्ज तौरगा इन हाबी जाबी तौदुना तौबनी हाइबसे मसीदी लाइबक थीबनी सेराम हेराजित हाइबा अखोइगी आमसुगी प्रेसिडेंट ओइरमबसिना पिन पॉइंट तौरगा हाइरकपसे मसी कितंग मान खंगबा वाटपा हाइगद्रा अदगी सरकार की सु सेंक्शन लेतब पोचिबो अखोइना सरकार की फंड अमबु करमाइना मिसयूज तौदोरिबनो मसी कितंग खंगबा वाटपदगी तौबनी.
The first foreign scholar to be awarded PhD by Manipur University in English, Dr. Wisitu Chaichai-Yashit from Thailand described Manipur as a very good place for education. He said he will support and encourage his students and other students from Asian countries to come to Manipur and learn English. He also stated that he will dedicate his PhD degree to the King of Thailand. Speaking to Impact News, Dr. Chaichai-Yashit said during his stay in Manipur, he never witnessed protests by students like the current agitation on Manipur University campus. He said if the situation improves, he will bring his students and other foreign students to learn English at Manipur University. Dr. Chaichai-Yashit is the head of Department of English in Mahachu Lalongkorn Raja Vidyalaya University in Chiang Mai, Thailand. For his PhD degree, he worked under the supervision of Associate Professor Dr. Irom Gambhir Singh of English Department. He is leaving Imphal tomorrow with other 3 research scholars of English Department who will explore education in Thailand for further exchange and collaboration. He said he learned many things from his experiences in Manipur and will support foreign students to come here and learn English with an aim to bring integration among Asian countries.
Kurum Sili. This university gave me many things. In the future, I can also support my students to come and study in English department. And as you have already known that, and I think that in the future, many people from Thailand or even in Southeast Asia can come and study at MU University. Since I have been here for 4 years, I didn't expect that I will see the protests or the problems like the reservation problems, but at last I saw in this year. So I wish that the people concerned will sort out the problem and we will have very good atmosphere in the future.
Former DGP and executive member of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Yumnam Joykumar has clarified that no bomb was planted at his house. Talking to media at his residence at Naramthong today, Joykumar expressed his surprise at the news which appeared in print and electronic media yesterday. He clarified that Imphal West Police did not receive any report regarding planting of bomb at his gate. The former DGP said some persons who are against him might have spread the rumor. All Manipur Elementary Teachers Association today held a sit-in at Khoyathong Pukri Achauba Mapal against the state cabinet's decision to downgrade teachers. The protesters display placards that read, "Give teachers salaries, don't ill-treat the teachers." 32-year-old Lystrom Naresh of EI School Police Lane has been missing since October 16th. He left home in the afternoon of October 16 on his TVS scooter. He wore a green half shirt, black trousers and a leather sandal. He is about 5 feet 8 inches tall. People today held a sit-in against the bomb blast at the house of Clement Singley at Tangkhul Avenue village on October 17th. The protesters displayed placards denouncing the blast. Members of Tangkhul Village Authority, Tangkhul Avenue Village Mairapai BWAD, Women Welfare Society took part in the protest held near the ISPT. Students Union of Eastern Ideal High School Akampat, along with staff and management committee of the school and members of ASA Club, held a meeting today against some unknown people taking intoxicants and indulging in gambling activities on the school campus and staff quarters now under construction, taking undue advantage of absence of a fence wall. The union in a press release demanded authorities to look into the matter. Let's take a small commercial break. We'll be back in a short while. Keep watching Impact News.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobugis special discount pizzari. ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekha opposite House ground leba store da Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobugis special discount pizzari. Nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani. Ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle store Thangmaiban Mesnam Lekha opposite House ground.
Aigi thamoina achit pathasaba thamjari. Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda sumlay raka khanbana dikana roi engunda loina thengna khrabani wakal do wagana lao aikoi kudingo pazamina rase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Sri Mani Kumar Jewelers.
Nungairba Paujel Manipur Sangai Festival Manungda Myanmar da flight tongluna koiruna bagi achauba khudong chaba ama KB Enterprises na pizari November gi tang kun da chatkhraga tang kun taruk ta halakadabani sopna tagi airfare lising tara manga ka chamnga da Myanmar da chatpiu package ki khudong chaba su fangbigani akupa marol gi dama KB Enterprises MG Avenue Imphal da contact tobiu aikhogi mobile number di 9862028656.
Welcome back after the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Lion's Eye Hospital and Services Trust in a press note informs that the third free eye care camp for October 2016 will be held at Lions Service Center of Lions Club of Imphal at Sangai Pro Airport Road. The camp will be held in collaboration with the District Blindness Control Society Imphal between 10 a.m. to 12 noon on October 23rd. A 10-day acupuncture camp concluded today at Nature Cure and Yoga Hospital, Kongba, Khetri Lekai. The camp provided acupuncture treatment to the patients. At least 65 persons were given treatment at the camp. The closing day was attended by local residents as well as persons working in the field. Handloom Promotion Council Manipur appealed to the authorities concerned to amend the law followed by Manipur Apex Handloom Weavers and Handicrafts Artisan Cooperative Societies for the past 60 years. The council in a press release said the bylaw is outdated. Sangeet Nat Academy, New Delhi and Jawaharlal Nehru Dance Academy, Imphal will organize Natya Katha Krishna by Dr. Sonal Man Singh Padma Vibhushan and Sangeet Nat Academy awardee on October 21st at Maharaja Chandrakirti Auditorium. Now to sports news. FC Zealand Southern Hills beat Klasa Kaino 2-1 in the 41st league match of the 11th Manipur State League at Imphal Polo Ground. FC Zealand Southern Hills Thangtilan Haukip scored 2 goals in the 8th and 51st minute. Klasa Kaino's P. Azanpu Kabui netted a solitary goal in the 41st minute. YPHU Lalambong will meet USA Kurai while AIM Kabam Lamkai will meet SU Sagolban tomorrow. Under 17 boys and girls state level inter-school football tournament kicked off today at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium. Ukhrul district trounced Bishnupur district 3-0 in the opening match. 10 teams from 8 districts and 2 subdivisions are participating in the tournament. A team of students of Career Residential Academy, Charangpat, left Imphal today to take part in the 34th Nehru Under-15 Junior Boys Hockey Tournament. The tournament will be held at Shivaji Hockey Stadium, New Delhi. The team consists of 16 boy players and 2 officials. Youth Affairs and Sports Joint Director K.H. Pramoda Devi flagged off the team from Kuman Lampak Sports Complex. She wished the team luck. Siko Lorembam Laikai, Sun Club Mongsangai, SYPA Sekmai and SDC Samurao bid their rivals in the 3rd Imphal West District Division Football League Tournament. Siko Lorembam Laikai trashed TDC Mayang Langjing 6-2. Sun Club Mongsangai beat USC Kodompokpi 3-1 in the league matches played in the morning. In the league matches played in the afternoon, SYPA Sekmai beat BBA Mayang Imphal 3-2 while HDC Samurao beat YOC Kodompokpi 2-0. The next league matches will be played on the 21st of this month. Manipur NCC team won the first match of the NCC Under-21 Boys National Games Hockey Championship played today. Manipur NCC team defeated Delhi NCC team 4-2 in a match played at Dhyan Chand Hockey Stadium, New Delhi. For Manipur NCC team, T. Jones scored 2 goals while W. Amarjit and T.H. Tonglen scored 1 goal each. Thongju Kendra B. Kangkut has entered the semi-final of the 4th Ibudhau Wangpurel Khana Chauba Open Kendra Wise League Cum Knockout Kang Tournament at Uchekon Laikong Kangsang. In the 3rd quarter-final, Thongju Kendra B. Kangkut beat Thongju Kendra A. Kangkut 13-12. 12 teams are taking part in the tournament. Yaisko Kendra Kangkut and Oinam Kendra Kangkut will meet in the 4th quarter-final. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Police celebrates 125th Raising Day. Chief Minister stresses role of police in democratic country. UCM Amuko condemned Naga Meet held under the banners Southern Nagalim in Senapati. Naga Conference urges Centre and NSCM IM to finalize framework agreement between them in August last year. Government employees to launch pen down strike from October 27 to press their charter of demands. And first foreign scholar to be awarded PhD by Manipur University in English describes Manipur as a very good place for education.